Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and I'm very happy to show you our latest addition to the Te Reo Sing-Along series called Ngā Atua Māori, and it's about the Māori gods. It's a really beautiful book about the connection between tamariki, children, as kaitiaki of te taiao, the environment, and their connection with the gods. So I think we've done that really well. I'll show you some pages. So at the beginning, there's an explanation here about the connection between the children and the atua, and then there's the English. Lots of ideas here as well for using the book. So we've got the connection with Papatuanuku, Rangi Nui, Tāne Mahuta, Tangaroa, Tāwhiri Mātea, Rongo Mātāne, Humia Tike Tike, Tūmatauenga, and Ruo Moko. And then at the end, a summary of all that. And of course we've got our sing-along CD with it. And if you don't have a CD player, make sure that you know that you can go to www.soundcloud.com/Te Reo Sing-Along to hear all of our songs and download them there for free. So you can purchase our book at our website www.tereosingalong.co.nz, and I encourage you to do that so that you can add this beautiful one to your collection. Ka kite!